In this video, I'll show you how to voice clone in OpenArt using a short voice sample and a written script. This is a quick way to create AI-generated narration in a voice style based on your recording without needing complicated audio software. Before you begin, make sure you have a clean voice sample ready. For the best results, use a clear recording with minimal background noise, music, echo, or overlapping speech. Your sample can be up to 90 seconds long. If this tutorial helps you, remember to like the video and subscribe for more practical AI and software tutorials. Now, let's get started. First, open OpenArt and go to the home page. Once the home page loads, move your mouse over the audio option in the navigation area. This will open the available audio tools. From the menu, select Voice Clone. You'll now be taken to the voice cloning workspace. Look for the Upload button and click it. Choose the clean voice sample from your device. Remember, the recording should be no longer than 90 seconds. For a more natural result, use a sample where the speaker talks clearly and consistently. Avoid samples with loud background sounds, long silences, heavy distortion, or multiple people speaking. After the upload finishes, find the script box. This is where you enter the text you want OpenArt to read using the cloned voice. Type or paste your script into this field and check it carefully for spelling, punctuation, and sentence breaks. Punctuation can help the generated voice sound more natural by creating realistic pauses. OpenArt allows a maximum of 5,000 characters in the script box, so keep your text within that limit. If your script is longer, divide it into smaller sections and generate each section separately. It's also a good idea to review names, numbers, abbreviations, and unusual words, because these may not always be pronounced exactly as expected. Once your voice sample has been uploaded and your script is ready, click the pink Generate button. OpenArt will process the recording and create the voice cloned audio based on your uploaded sample and the text you provided. The processing time may vary depending on the length of your script and the current workload on the platform. When the generation is complete, listen to the result and check the pronunciation, pacing, and overall sound. If something doesn't sound right, try adjusting the script, adding punctuation, or uploading a cleaner voice sample. Shorter sentences and clearer formatting can often improve the result. And that's how to voice clone in OpenArt. Go to Audio, select Voice Clone, upload a clean sample of up to 90 seconds, enter a script of up to 5,000 characters, and click the pink Generate button. If this guide was useful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more AI tool tutorials. Thanks for watching.